everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I will be doing the review for the Anderson Manufacturing 15 budget AR-15, guys. We are talking about a budget AR within the less than $500 price range. Guys, this is a real nice gun. We do just want to go over a couple details on this thing. If you've never owned a AR-15 before, if this is your first time purchasing one and you're looking to sort of get your toes in the water, get your feet in the water in terms of getting a assault rifle for whatever purpose you're purchasing it for, whether that be home defense or target shooting or whatever it is that you have the intention of doing with the rifle. Guys, I'm going to be going over this budget rifle. Like I said, if you're looking to dip your toe into the market of assault rifles, guys, and you don't want to spend too much money, this might be an option that you would consider. So this is the AM-15 AR-15 by Anderson Manufacturing. Guys, so we're just going to go ahead and start the review here. We're looking at, again, the Anderson Manufacturing 15 AR-15. This rifle does take 223-556 ammunition. It is a multi-caliber weapon. Let's just go ahead and jump right into the review here, guys. All right, everybody, so from a bird's eye view, this is what we're working with here. This is the AM-15 assault rifle from Anderson Manufacturing. Just off first glance, you can tell that it's got a pretty good construction on it, guys. We've got a couple of different details here. You've got a split rail there for the top and for your mounts. You got basic magazine release. Came stock with the tactical mag pull stock. This is adjustable here. And then we've got a M-LOK rail, guys, but I will tell you right off the bat, out of the box, this gun does look great. It is a very good looking weapon. And it is, there is a lot of potential to customize this weapon. As you can see, I've already added a couple of things to it. So let's go ahead and get into the aftermarket mods that I've made to this weapon. First of all, I did buy this red dot sight right here. This is the Vortex Crossfire, guys. It is a red dot sight. It is a fairly affordable. There are red dot sights on the market that do vary in price. They go from anywhere from $100 all the way to like even thousands of dollars. This one right here costs about $150, guys, and it is a very good sight. Does take a little bit to sort of sight it in. In order to do that, you kind of just got to put bullets through it. You got to shoot it. You got to go out and do some target practice with it and make sure that you get it honed in right where you need it. The other thing that I've added to this weapon, the other two things that I've added to this weapon are we've added a aftermarket strap attachment to the back of this rifle. This rifle did not come stock with any kind of strap hitch or any kind of strap attachment. So we did add one of those, and then we added this strap here so that we could carry it around. Guys, this is a home defense build right here. You notice I don't have any flashlights on it, but we'll get into that a little bit later. The other piece that I've added to this weapon here, as you can see, we've got a horizontal hand grip for the M-LOK rail. Guys, this thing helps with accuracy, helps with grip. It is a very, very useful tool when it comes to being able to hold this rifle nice and steady and aim down range and, you know, take accurate shots at a target or, you know, intruder or anything like that. But guys, that's pretty much it. Again, have the three aftermarket pieces that I've added to this rifle. But basically, guys, we are going to take a good look at how this thing performs, how it's shooting. I've already put close to 500 rounds through this weapon, but we are going to go ahead and see, and I'm going to go ahead and take it out to the range for you guys and show you exactly how this thing shoots. We're going to do some accuracy tests with it. So we're going to do some paper targets. We're going to see how this thing shoots at 50, 75, and 100 yards. We're going to go ahead and show you the accuracy there. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and take this thing out to the range. A test of 30 rounds through the air, 15 minutes at 40 yards. Let's see how this performs. So we did end up doing a 40-yard target session. we were doing a lot of rapid fire practice out there. And we were just going ahead and just shooting at these targets. So just going to go highlight the performance here real quick. We've got several different groups here. Again, I chose this target because I was doing different kinds of shooting on it. I was doing different types of sort of styles of shooting while I was doing this target today, guys. So basically what happened was I ended up doing mostly rapid fire on this target, guys. But let me go ahead and show you exactly what I mean by that. So right here and right here is where you see most of the shots. This is where you see most of the concentration of the shots I was doing. I was doing Remington 223 ammo, guys. I will go ahead and show exactly the make and model of the ammunition that I was using. It was some Hornady soft point 223 caliber bullets that we were using. And so let's go ahead and break down the performance here. Okay, so basically I was doing a lot of rapid fire, guys. I was concentrating most of my efforts right here on the middle target. As you can see, I do have several impacts there. But most of what I did was I aimed for the middle and tried to get as many shots off as I could, as soon as I possibly could, and as fast as I possibly could. The other parts of the video that you see is, you know, it's a little bit more effort to sort of get accurate shots off on the target. Right here is where I concentrated most of my accuracy shooting. As you can see, this target has mostly, you can tell that there's no variance outside of a 6-inch group here. We do see that the majority of these accurate effort shots do kind of fall within a 3 to 4 inch group there, and that is very good at 40 yards, guys. And then let's break down the rapid fire, guys. As you can see, I do have one bullseye. Again, this is 3-round, 4-round, even 5-round burst shooting. So this is very good accuracy, guys, and I did end up counting all of the shots. I did 60 rounds at one target at 40 yards using that 223 soft point Hornady ammunition, and all shots did land. So again, guys, this is pretty good accuracy from what you can tell. Again, did a little bit more accuracy shooting there in the bottom right hand corner. But overall, guys, that's about it. The rifle performed pretty well. Again, it ended up being more of a burst round shooting, so it's more of, let's see how many shots I can get off and how fast I can get the shots off as soon as possible. Even under the circumstances of rapid shooting, the rifle maintained pretty solid accuracy. As you can see here, there is a pretty good distribution overall. There is no variance outside of the target. No shots were missed. All shots did land on the target itself, and for the most part I was aiming at the center of the target, and as you can see, that is where most of the impacts are concentrated. So again, I would say the rifle, even after the 500 rounds that I've already put through it, does maintain pretty solid accuracy, and I would say it is a top-notch rifle. I mean, it shoots great, and I think it's going to be pretty hard for you to beat the price that it's listed at. So again, would recommend this if you are looking to get into an AR-15, looking to purchase an AR-15, and you don't want to spend more than $500 on it, guys, the rifle is clearly accurate at 40 yards, even using a rapid fire technique or a rapid fire function on it. It does maintain most of its accuracy. So again, nothing wrong with the overall functioning of the rifles. So once again, everybody, just talking about, the gun in general. It's a great gun in summary. It's works great, shoots well, shoots accurately, guys. You can get a lot of shots off with it. Not a bad price point, guys. This gun retails at about just under $500. I will make sure to go ahead and link the weapon in the description, as well as the ammo that I was using today, guys. I was using some Hornady 223 soft point ammunition at the range while I was doing these target shooting tests. But yeah, guys, overall a great fucking gun, a great rifle. It's fantastic, guys. Again, I would definitely recommend it for anybody who's looking to get into AR-15 ownership or AR-15 shooting. You guys can always go to the range, see if they have one at your local shooting range. Check one out before you buy it. See if you like it, see if it feels all right. So I would recommend that to anybody who's interested, guys. But for now, that's going to be it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into the video today. Really appreciate the support, guys. I hope to see you in the next one, guys. But for now, that's going to be it for me. Peace out, guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate the support. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.